A few months ago, the narrative was set. AI was coming for your job, and human employees were an endangered species. But behind closed doors in Silicon Valley, a massive panic is brewing. Tech giants are quietly hitting the brakes, putting strict limits on AI usage, and reversing their layoff strategies. Why? Because the infinite intelligence we were promised has run into a brutal multi-billion-dollar reality check. The problem isn't that AI isn't smart enough. The problem is that AI is fundamentally starving, both for cash and for power. For the last 2 years, we've been living in the era of subsidized intelligence. AI companies burn through VC cash to give us cheap, unlimited access to these tools. But that honeymoon is officially over. Every single prompt you type, every line of code an AI writes costs tokens. And when companies started building autonomous AI agents that run complex loops in the background, those token costs exploded by up to 30 times. And it's not just a financial drain, it's an environmental emergency. Training and running these massive models requires an astronomical amount of electricity. Data centers are putting a strain on national power grids that energy infrastructure simply cannot handle. We are literally running out of juice to power the AI revolution. This has triggered a phenomenon known as token maxing, where employees use AI for absolutely everything, even minor tasks, completely unaware of the corporate bill they are racking up. But here is the twist. AI manages about 60% of repetitive workflows beautifully, but that remaining 40%, it requires deep human nuance, institutional knowledge, and critical thinking. When companies tried to automate that 40%, unmanaged AI errors skyrocketed, platforms glitched, and customer satisfaction tanked. Companies realized that fixing AI mistakes requires more human labor, making the whole operation incredibly inefficient. The data tells a fascinating story of what market analysts are calling the AI boomerang. According to research from major talent and consulting firms, nearly one-third of companies that laid off workers or paused hiring due to AI over the last 2 years have already reversed course. They are actively rehiring for those exact same positions. Furthermore, data from industry studies shows that over 55% of executives now openly regret replacing human workers with AI too quickly. Gartner even projects that by 2027, half of all enterprises that aggressively slashed operational roles in favor of automation will be forced to restaff them with humans. So, what does this actually mean? Is AI dead? Absolutely not. AI isn't going away, but it is hitting a point of saturation. The Wild West era of reckless, unlimited AI spending is over, and the era of corporate caution has begun. Companies have learned the hard way that AI is a powerful tool to enhance human capability, not a cheap magic wand to eliminate it. The human element, your judgment, your creativity, and your ability to navigate complexity isn't just valuable, it's the only thing keeping these multi-billion-dollar systems from breaking down. Your job isn't going to a machine. The future belongs to humans who know how to use AI wisely, working for companies that have finally learned how to value both. I want to know what you think though. Have you seen any AI spending caps or strict usage limits rolling out in your own workplace? Drop a comment below and let's get a conversation going. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe to the channel. Stay sharp, keep building, and I'll see you all right here in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your loved ones.